Hi everybody, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Mr. M here, Beast Double Arrow. Guys, just to demonstrate the power of the beast once again, okay, we're currently running in a live trade, as you guys can see, live, okay, not a demo, top left corner, okay, where my cursor is a live trade, okay. The pair we're trading is EURCAD, okay, currently running at 309 pips, okay. We got the trailing stop running, okay, so price is following the market, okay. We got a trailing stop in, okay. And the date today, yes, 22nd of the 4th 2020, okay. You can go to your charts, okay. You can go verify this trade on your own, okay. Verify this trade, like I said, is the EURCAD, okay, running at 303 pips, okay. As you guys know the rules, we got a big arrow, okay, showing a possible trend reversal, all right. That's an indication. And like I always say, the little arrow is our confirmation arrow, okay. So once we got this two, okay, we can safely take our trade, and that's exactly what I did. I got in very early in this trade, as you guys can see, almost at the top of the trade. I got in running at 297 pips, okay, hovering around, okay. And as you guys know, very simple rules, even a 5-year-old can do it, okay. Big arrow, little arrow, and then we take our trade, and obviously our stop loss goes above the big arrow. But in this case, my stop loss is now trailing the market, okay, because I added the trailing stop. Okay, so basically I'm in a risk-free trade, so I don't care what happens. All right, I'm in profit already. Okay, I'm currently in, right, about 150 pips in profit, times is 52 times 3, just over 150 pips. Okay, and the market is currently running at 292 pips. So guys, for those guys that say that I'm trading on a demo account, okay, so I'm showing you it's live. It's not a demo, it's live. Okay. And someone also emailed me to ask me if you can scalp with the software. Indeed, you can scalp with the software. There's no problem. You can either scalp, you can day trade, you can swing trade, you can position trade. It's entirely up to you, okay, what you want to use the software for. All right. It comes down to what type of trader you are, okay. But yeah guys, so just to show you, trade is hovering around now 292 pips, that indeed the software is working, okay. And if you guys would like to get in touch with me, feel free to send me a message on email, okay. If you want to know more about the software, I'll be all ears to listen. If you got any questions, feel free to contact me at beastdoublearrow@gmail.com, beastdoublearrow@gmail.com. Okay, so yeah guys, I think we're gonna close this trade now. 285 pips, not bad for the day, okay. And yeah, so like I said, if you guys got any questions, feel free to get in touch with me. If you have any questions, hook me up, okay. Any case, this is Mr. M, Beast Double Arrow, signing out. Ciao for now.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love me, even if it's